Hello, mom, sir. Good morning. Good morning. This is already my day 2 here in my accommodation. And very quick update lang, no? So, nalipat nga ako from the previous accommodation. So, nag-lower bunk bed na ako. And then, 2 days lang yung nabook ko. I decided to extend. So, okay naman. I book, naging cheaper siya kasi walang window. So, cheaper na yung nakuha ko. I paid 186, I guess, for 2 nights na. And I'll say goodbye to this room. So, this was my room earlier. Ito siya, ito yung bed. Yung kabila nito, that was the previous room. So, lower bed, upper bed. So, ito na yung gamit ko. I'll just pack away and then this will be my new room. So private. Ganun. Isang di pa. Half di pa. Pero the same thing. My table, my aircon, exclusive for me. And ito na siya. This is yung tinatawag nilang coffin accommodation. So yun nga. Okay naman. Namali kasi ako somehow, pero okay na lang din. Kasi nag-book ako sa trip.com. Tapos hindi ko na nakita yung windowless. Kaya pala cheaper siya. 98 lang siya. Then wala na daw available sa with the window. Yun. So, okay na rin as long as I have my table for my online class. So, yes, lipat tayo. And this will be my room for 2 more nights. So, again, dormitory life is not for everybody. It works for me. Maybe it will not work for you. Pero, yun lang. Okay, that's my dormitory life.